I've got my glue gun, so we are good to go. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a vlog for you because I am off to the Ikea Autumn and Winter press day. So as you all seem to really like the look around Ikea that we did, I thought you'd be interested to see what items they've got in store for this coming autumn and winter. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and do give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoy it. Noisy van. My body clock's still a bit all over the shop from my travels, and I really need a coffee. And classic, we had no milk in the house this morning. I was up really early shooting something for Instagram, so I'm going to pop into Starbucks and then I'm going to get the train into town. Town as in central London. That's the usual spelling I get. Ewan. I decided to get the bus into town on what is probably one of the hottest days of the year. I've made it. See the window display. This collection just feels so up my street. You guys know how much I love my travel stuff and my Persian rugs and my trunks. And this range is called FOREMAL, and it's by a Swedish glass and ceramic artist, Per B. Sundberg. I hope I'm saying that correctly. This cushion here is actually a coffee stain that's been photographed, and I think the back is a blemish from one of the ceramic pieces that he's designed. So really, really cool. I absolutely love that. I mean, talk about unusual, a coffee stain on a cushion, and I like the edging on it as well. Got some really nice cushions. Look at this, it looks really, really old. And these colours really are working for me. And then over here, let's take a look in these cabinets, because I absolutely love these candlesticks. So they are poodles, but they are hipster poodles, and they've got moustaches that you can flip over. How cool are they? We've got a fish there as well. This stuff looks a bit more high-end to me than what I'm used to seeing at Ikea. This looks like something you would pick up in a vintage store or a charity shop. Very, very unusual piece. It's a mushroom, a banana, and this little guy. Really, really unusual. And then they've got some boxes which have caught my eye. These are kind of lacquered wood, so they look really, really expensive. I don't know what the prices are of any of these, but I'll link the range for you because it's all available exclusively online from August onwards, and it's only available for 3 months. So if you're interested, then do have a look in August because it's 3 months only, and it's exclusively, I think, online and in the London stores. So yeah, if you're keen, then have a look. I love the map as well. This collection is the Winter Warmer, so it's a take on a Scandi theme, but not the traditional white look. They've gone for some softer pinks and some greys, which go really nicely together, I think. And they've added accents of brass to warm it up a little bit. There's a new collection in here called SAMMANHANG, which is all about showing off your collectibles or your prized possessions. So the guys have mentioned to me that they've seen people putting vintage cameras on these, or if you had some awards, you could display display them, all different levels, anything you want really, but I've never seen something that's multi-tiered like that, so that's really, really nice. I love this gold cutlery, how nice is that? And the containers that it comes in is really, really cool. You can kind of see through it, this basket. And these are new, and these are glass domes, I guess you'd call them, for displaying anything that you want in there. And it comes with an interchangeable base, so they've also got this in black and also in cork. Ikea is turning 75 this year, and they brought out a few items from their original collection. So these chairs behind me are actually dating back to the 60s, the original design. I think they are so nice. These are going to be out this autumn. This look they've called Rich Pigments, so it's a dark and moody theme. It reminds me of somewhere where you'd be good to go with a lit fire and a glass of red wine, to be honest with you. This print is new for autumn, and it's this very old school classic country cottage theme, very English, and they've added it to this room which is full of rich and darker colours just to give it a bit of a twist, which I think goes really cool with all the modern touches they've got in here. These are the classic Billy bookcases, but they've got them coming out for autumn in burgundy, which I think is a really, really nice colour to have them in. And they've also told me that they've got them in navy blue, which I am so excited about. I didn't know that they had Billy in these colours, and I think it's such a good idea to bring a classic out in these up-to-date colours, because I know lots of you are really into the navy blue thing, as am I, and considering doing maybe something a bit darker in our bedroom, so what a nice twist that is. This range is called SJALVSTANDIG. If any of you guys have seen the Ikea documentary, you may have seen the vase. Each one's been individually squished by the guys in the factory, so you can actually see where the like the thumbs have gone into that one, and each one's signed as well. So it's really, really nice that they're kind of unique, so each one's going to be completely different. And then this rug is another thing that you can DIY, because it's actually a jigsaw puzzle rug, so it's all fixed together with these Velcro strips, so you can mix and match the colours and how you want to put it together, what shape it's going to create. Similar with this cushion, so this has got hoppers on it, so you could hopper together a few of these if you had like a bench, or if you were going to create maybe an outdoor area, you know, if you're doing something with maybe pallet crates or a DIY project, and you can get your cushions to the perfect size and also fix it together this way and create like a bolster. The SJALVSTANDIG range is out in October this year, and it's all limited edition. Ikea have collaborated with Hasselblad and 7 professional photographers to come up with a collection of limited edition photo prints. So this is a really great way of getting some art into your home for, I think it's £12 per poster, which is pretty good going, and the one of the redhead I think is £25, and that one comes framed. I really like this forest scene, which is one of them, and they've cut this one up into squares, but this one does come as a full poster size. This range is called Bold Sustainability. So this cabinet is actually made up of kitchen cabinets, and this is all sustainable. This table as well, which is made out of sustainable wood, and these chairs over here are made out of recycled plastic bottles, and these ones don't come flat pack. So if you watched my Ikea vlog, you'll know that these are ones you'll be carrying out the store over your head.
Today we're going to be making wreaths, but don't worry, you don't have to be a superb florist to create something.
We're doing a wreath making workshop, which I am so excited about. If any of you were watching me last Christmas, you will have seen my slightly disastrous attempt at making a real one, you know, with like real foliage and stuff. But today we're making one with all artificial flowers and greenery that's from Ikea onto this ready-made wreath. They've got all of these flowers to use. I think I'm going to go with eucalyptus and probably do the whole thing in that, and maybe add a few little pops of colour with maybe some flowers in it. We'll see how we get on.
Because scissors get blunt when you...
Got my glue gun, so we are good to go. Okay, I'm done with the eucalyptus, so now I'm just going to figure out if I'm going to maybe add a little something. I'm not sure what yet. think these berries will look pretty good in amongst that all. There we go, what do you reckon? So I just went for the eucalyptus and the berries, and I think I'm going to hang this straight up when I get home. It does not need to wait till Christmas before this goes on the wall. This is the Christmas range. They've gone for a bit of an Alice in Wonderland theme, so you've got the clocks and these rabbits on the ornaments. How cool are these plates? And these are really nice, these lighting garlands with the paper cutouts. Really cool, and I think these are new as well. All done, me and my wreath are out of here. That was so fun. I just want to say a massive thank you to the Ikea team for inviting me along. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every week. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. The self-standing Ikea is turning, is it 75 that it? Yeah, thank you.